Topic is nothing but the LCD interfacing with the 8051. Now, first of all, we have to discuss about the LCD, which is considered as a 8-bit mode. Here, this is a pin diagram of LCD. LCD is normally 16 pin, which is considered the first pin is as a ground pin. The first is considered as a ground with respect to VCC. The second pin is considered, the first pin is considered as a ground. The second pin is considered as a VDD or a VCC. So this VCC is used for the power supply, which is positive 5 volt. Then the third pin, which is considered as a contrast pin, is setting the intensity of a LCD, as well as it define the connected to the VCC through the variable register. This variable register is considered for the adjustment of contrast for the LCD display. Okay. The main important pins are considered RS, RW and the enable pin. RS pin is nothing but the choose the LCD as a command register or a data register. Okay. What is meant by command register and data register? That is nothing but this RS, that is a register select, is defining a command operation or command mode as well as data mode. So operation is defining as a RS. So this RS is used for 0 when it is considered as a 0, then LCD data is operate as a command mode. Okay, LCD data is operate as a command mode. If RS equal to 1, if RS equal to 1, then LCD is operate as a data mode. So whatever the input data is given, and that input data is displayed onto the LCD display. Okay. Next is nothing but the control pin, which is considered as a RW. The RW is nothing but the read and the write pin. The read and write pin is nothing but whatever the data input is come from the 8051 that we have to read or write onto the LCD. So we require a RW pin. The RW pin is equal to 0. The RW pin is equal to 0. Then the data, whatever the incoming data, that incoming data is right on the display. That incoming data is right on the display. If the RW equal to 1, if RW equal to 1, then whatever the data displayed on the LCD, that is readable to the 8051. That is read from the 8051. So which is considered as a RW equal to write 0, that is write mode, RW equal to 1, that is a read mode. Then next pin is nothing but the enable pin. Next pin is nothing but the enable pin. This enable pin is considered do LCD is enable or disable. This enable pin is considered the high to low pulse which need to enable the LCD. That means if suppose I am going to make this enable pin equal to 1, then this LCD is a turn enable pin or turn on. And after completion of operation, we have to forcefully define this enable pin is 0 so that the this enable pin is disabled. Okay. The next is nothing but the data bus. Here, the data bus is pin number 4 to pin number 14. Sorry, pin number 7 to pin number 14. This data bus is considered as a D0 to D7, which is we have to input and output for the LCD, whatever the data or a command, whatever the data or we have to use as a command. Okay. Then last two pins are there. The last two pin is nothing but the backlight, which is considered the LED plus pin or a LED minus pin. This plus and minus, which is displayed backlight of power supply or backlight of LCD, which is considered as a plus 5 volt, which is considered the plus 5 volt, so that we can easily read out whatever the data present on the display. And this is a backlight ground pin with respect to plus VCC, which is considered the LED turn on and off with respect to plus VCC, with respect to plus 5 volt. Are you understand this pin diagram? Are you understand this pin diagram? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next is nothing but there are three major pins are considered or highlighted in this LCD, which is nothing but the RS pin, RW pin, and the enable pin. So first of all, we have to consider the RS pin. This RS pin is considered. This RS pin is considered the LCD is operate into the command mode or data mode. If we need to send some data, if we need to send some data, then RS equal to consider as a 1. If we need to define some command instruction for the clear string, or we have to make the cursor adjustment, so we have to define the 0, RS equal to 0. So in short, if RS equal to 1, if RS equal to 1, then the LCD is operate as a data mode, or if RS equal to 0, then this LCD is operate as a command mode. This RS equal to 0, then LCD is operator command instruction. Okay. The next is nothing but the read and write pin. This read and write pin is used for the LCD input, which is the data is read as well as data is write on the display. If suppose this is 0, this pin is considered as a 0, then we have to define, if we are going to write some data into the LCD, then we have to define the 0. If we are read some data from the LCD, then we define the set the RW pin. That is, it make a 1. It make a 1. Okay. Then next is the enable pin. The enable pin is nothing but to enable the LCD, which is whatever the data or whatever the command operate into the LCD. So very much important, this enable pin. After setting this enable pin 1, after setting enable pin is 1, then the LCD is comes to the enable mode. Okay, so that whatever the command or whatever the data we are given to the LCD, that will operate. If enable pin is considered as a 0, then then the LCD is disabled. Then the LCD is disabled. Okay. Now the next point is nothing but we have to define the RS pin. What is mean by RS in terms of command instruction? What is mean by RS? What is mean by RS in terms of command instruction? What are the command instructions for LCD? So we have to define some command for the LCD which is like this. If suppose we have to define F0F, we have to define 0F, then it consider LCD is turned on and there is a cursor into the LCD that is also turned on. Here, that means here if suppose somewhere the cursor is there, here you can see the cursor is there, that cursor is turned on. If suppose we have to define the 01, we have to define the 01, that means whatever the ASCII value present into the LCD, that ASCII value is cleared or it is defined to clear the display screen. Whatever the previous data is there, or what if suppose any ASCII value is there, then after giving the 01, the whole screen is cleared out. Okay. Then next is if suppose we are consider 02, then whatever the cursor, if suppose I am going to type here, here, and my cursor is in between any display, then I wanted to return this cursor into the home condition. So I am going to make the command 02. That is nothing but the return home. Okay. Then the next command is 04. The 04 is nothing but the remainder cursor. That is nothing but if suppose my cursor is here, so I am going to come back to the remainder one by one. So that cursor is shifted to the left. And 06, the increase cursor, that is nothing but the cursor is shifted right. Okay. 05, 05 is nothing but we have to shift the display right. How we shift the display? If suppose I am going to write here, but I am going to give the command 05, then this cursor is shifted into the right position. The initial position is this position, then my cursor is shifted into the right position from here. Okay. And similarly for 07, if I am going to write from here, but I wanted to write from the left so that my cursor is shifted to the left position while I am going to give the 07 is a command. Okay. So 0E is nothing but display on and the cursor is blinking. Display on and the cursor is blinking. If 80 is there, then force cursor to the being a first line. Being a first line means what? If suppose I have a display here, suppose this is my display. Okay, this is my display. It is a yellow position. I am drawing here. This is my display. Okay, but now I am going to whenever there are two lines are there. If suppose there are two lines here, this is the first line, this is the second line. So wherever my cursor is there, then that cursor is shifted into the first position here. So I can write from the beginning to the data. If suppose I am going to define the 0C0, then I am going to define the second line, beginning of second line. This is the first line, this is the second line. So my cursor is started from writing from the second line. Okay. The 38 is nothing but there are two lines with the 5 by 7 matrix. There are two lines with the 5 by 7 matrix means what? We have to place the data in terms of 5 by 7 matrix cursor. Okay. Then 8-3, that is nothing but the cursor line 1, but position is 3. What is mean by cursor line 1, position 3? If suppose I am going to define my cursor is in first position, but I wanted to shift into the third position, so I am going to define this command. Then 3C is activate the second line. If I am going to make the first line and second line and complete my first line, now I am going to shift to the second line. So I wanted to make the 3C. So my second line will be the activate. Third is next is 08. That is nothing but the display off state and the cursor is also off state like this. This is the position of off state of display as well as cursor. Okay. Then C1, that is nothing but jump to second line first position. If suppose I am writing here, there is A, but I wanted to make the enter of second line in the first position, so I am going to make the command of C1. So after this finishing this alphabet, and suddenly I am going to jump to the second line first position here. Second line first position. OC OC is considered for the display on cursor off. Okay, display on cursor off. That means we can on the display but we are not seeing the cursor. C1, that is jump to the second line and the first position, and C2 jump to the second line second position. If after completion of this I am going to jump to the second position of second line. So these are the some commands which is considered into the LCD display. Are you understood this part? Are you understood this part? समझते कि नहीं? Hello. Okay, very good. Next, what is the next? Then we have to make the interfacing diagram. Here, this is my 8051. This is my LCD. I am going to first connect to the VSS, which is considered as a ground. Then VCC, which is considered the plus 5 volt. Here is the first 5 volt. This is VEE, which is considered the variable resistor, which is adjust the contrast of the display. Then after that, the RS pin. This is the RS, this is the RW, and this is enable. We have to connect. This is a port 3.4, port 3.5, and port 3.6. That is nothing but we have to connect the RS equal to 3.4, RW equal to 3.5, and the enable pin is considered as 3.6. Okay, and my data bus that is a DB0 to DB7, that is D0 to D7. I am going to connect this into the port 1.0 to port 1.7. Okay, then this is the plus LCD, and this is with respect to ground, which is we have to display backlight of display or backlight of LCD. Okay, so this part is the crystal of microcontroller. and this is the reset and reset circuit for the display 8051. Okay. Now make the we have to make the program for the writing high onto the display. Okay. So first of all, we have to write the program for the display. Tell me first of all what we have to write the program. How we write the program? The first of all org 000H. Okay. Then first of all we have to define the some command which is considered as a clear the display, cursor is on. Then we have to define the some initialization of LCD. So I am going to take the move a comma hash 38h. What is mean by 38h here? What is mean by 38h? I am going to 38h is defining the two lines and the 5 by 7 matrix. There is a two line 5 by 7 matrix. So this is my command. So I am going to call the command subroutine. That is a call command command. Okay. Then we have to display delay sum operation for this 38h. So I am going to make the a call delay. Okay, a call delay. Now the next command I am going to put move a comma hash 0e 0eh. What is mean by 0eh? What is mean by 0eh? 0eh is nothing but display on and cursor is blinking. Display on and cursor is blinking. So again, for displaying, to define this command, we have to define the a caller command, and for the operation delay, we have to make the some delay. Okay. The next command is considered as a move a comma hash 01h. So what is mean by 01h? 01h is nothing but to clear a display screen. 01h is nothing but to clear a display screen. So whatever the previous data on the display, that will be the cleared out. Okay. Okay. Then we have to again make the call command, because this is a command which we have to define. And then after to operation, we have to make the delay. Okay. Then next command which is we have to consider move a comma hash 80h. What do you mean by 80h? 80h is nothing but we are going to write a program, or we have to write a data at a first line. So we are consider 80. That is nothing but force cursor to the beginning of a first line. So wherever my cursor is there, that cursor comes to the first position of first line. Then again we have to call the command, a call command, then call the delay. Okay. So after that, after initialization of LCD, I am going to now write some data. I'm going to write some data. So I'm going to write a hi move a comma hash single inverted comma h. Okay. So right now this is my data h, and next is consider my hi, h and I. So first I wanted to display the h in first line. So make it call a call. This is a h we have to write on the LCD. So this is a write operation. So I'm going to data write. I'm going to call the data writer subroutine. Okay. Then after to display that h into some time, so I'm going to call a delay. The next is move a comma hash single inverted comma I. Single inverted comma I. Again, I'm going to define this call data write. This is a data write, and then after I'm going to make a delay program. Okay. Then after high display, I'm going to fix this high display into the infinite loop. So I'm going to define the edge jump here, because we have to display high in proper way. So I'm going to define the here to here. Okay. Now my first task is initialization of LCD. My second task is nothing but to write the data onto the LCD. Now, the third part is nothing but we have to define the subroutine for command register and subroutine for a data register. So first of all, we have to write a subroutine for command. We have to write a subroutine for command. What is the command? The command condition. What is the command condition? In command condition, the RS equal to what? The RS equal to 0. The RW, the write operation is also equal to 0. And 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 the enable is considered 1, and then after some time delay, the enable equal to 0. Okay. After some time delay, the enable equal to 0. So for this command, I am follow this. For this command, I am going to follow this. But where is my RS? Where is my RS? My RS is considered as a 3.4. My RS is considered as a 3.4. So I am here consider RS equal to port 3.4. Okay. I am going to define RS equal to port 3.4. Where is my RW? Where is my RW? My RW is a 3.5. So I am going to connect this RW port 3.5 equal to RW. And where is my enable pin? Where is my enable pin? Where is my enable pin? 3.6. So I am going to define the port 3.6 for enable pin. Okay. So now I am going to write the command subroutine for this condition. Why this condition? Because whatever the command I am written here in the program, this command we have to run so that RS equal to 0, because of this is a command equation. And we have to write that command into the LCD. So we have to define the RW equal to 0. And for operation, we have to enable the LCD, and after some time delay, I am going to disable the LCD. Okay. So for command instruction, for command subroutine, the first instruction is move port 3, port 1 comma A. Port 1 comma A. Why? Because my data line is connected to port 1. My data line is connected to port 1. So whatever the data is come into the command as well as in data, that all data goes to the port 1. Okay. Then after we have to make the CLR port, what is RS port, RS is port 3.4. Then CLR RW is a port 3.5, and we have to make the enable bit set bit set bit port 3.6, and after some call delay, after call delay I am going to again CLR port 3.6, then RET. So this is a program for a subroutine for a command. Similarly, I am going to write a subroutine for a data write. Similarly, I am going to write a program for data write. For data write, what is the RS equal to? Tell me. For data write, what is the RS equal to? For command, RS equal to 0. For data, RS equal to 1. And for writing a data, that is RW equal to 0. And for enabling, we have to make the 1, and after some time delay, it is considered as a 0. So write for the data write subroutine program. What is the move P1 comma A? Then set bit P 3.4 CLR port 3.5. Then set bit port 3.6. Then A call delay. Then CLR port 3.6. Then RET. Okay. So my third task is over. Now what is the remaining? Remaining is nothing but the delay program. What is my remaining? Remaining is my delay program. What is my delay program? Our normal delay program, you can write here the normal delay program, which is considered move R3 comma hash 50H, move R4 comma hash 225H. Okay. Then DJNZ R4, here 1, to here 1, then DJNZ R3, here 2, to here 2, then after RET. So I am going to save this program here. What is the LCD? Okay. Okay, understood this program? Are you understand this program?
Yes, sir.
Right, na? Okay, fine. So I'm going to define this program into the Kale software. Okay. So I'm defining this, close all the programs which are previously opened, make a new project LCD1. Okay, take a HTML 89351RD2, 89351RD2. Okay, okay. Then we have to copy this program. Okay, we are going to copy this program right here. So we are not required this part because this is our understanding. Okay, this is we have to make the remove. Okay, so I'm going to save this program. That is the LCD LCDINT dot ASM. Okay, okay. So I'm going to save this program, add it into the my source group dot ASM LCD int add close. This is my program. I'm going to build this program. There are some error because of ORG. Okay, ORG is there. There is some typing mistakes are there. BJNZ, comma. Okay, here is also comma is there. Okay, so there is a zero errors are there. I'm going to define this hexa file, hex file. So make it hex file here. Output, create a hex file. Okay, save it, rebuild it. So I'm going to create a hex file here. This is a hex file. Hex file. The name of hex file is LCD1. Okay. Now what we have to define? We are going to design the proteins for the LCD display. Okay. Are you able to see my screen now? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my what is I'm going to here 89C I1RD2. So this is my 89C I1RD2 and next is the 16X2 LCD. Which LCD I'm going to define? This is a LCD. Okay. So first of all I'm going to make the interfacing of these two. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Hmm. Mm, okay. The first of all I'm going to make the D0 to D7 काम करू आपण. मी पोर्ट 1च्या ऐवजी पोर्ट 2 घेऊया आपण. ओके, मी प्रोग्राममध्ये पण चेंज करतो. पोर्ट 1च्या ऐवजी मी काय करतोय, पोर्ट 2 घेतोय. चालेल ना? इंटरफेसिंगला सोपं पडेल मला. Okay, fine. So I'm going to define the port 2 to the interfacing for each and every data line. So I'm going to connect each and every data line. Okay. Are you able to see this connection diagram? Okay, fine. Now, what is my second? Where is my RS? Where is my RS? RS is RS is 3.4. So I am going to make the connection of RS is 3.4. Then RW is connected to the 3.5 and enable pin is connected to the 3.6. Okay? Okay. Are you able to see this? Fine. Okay. So I'm going to load my hexadecimal file. Where is my hexadecimal file? Desktop MCA LCD1. This is my hexadecimal file. So okay. What should be the answer? What should be the answer? This is high. See here. This is high. Are we able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again we have to make the changes here into the program. I am going to make the changes into the program. That is consider A. That is consider A, D, E, I, AGPIT. Okay? AGPIT. So I am going to make the save, run the program, rebuild the program. Then again I am going to load the hexadecimal file into the LCD interface LCD to the 8051 and then after run the program. Here it is a AGPIT. Okay? Are you able to see this AGPIT?
Yes, sir.
सोपा आहे? सोपा आहे का? प्रोग्राम खूप सोपा